Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn on Wi-Fi hotspot on your device. So let's get started. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your settings and you should have to tap on network and internet, which is available on the bottom of your screen. So tap on it. From here you can see the option of hotspot and threatening. So tap on it. Now you can see the option of Wi-Fi hotspot. So tap on enable icon, which is available on the bottom side of the right hand. So tap on it. Now see, your Wi-Fi hotspot is active successfully on your device. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.